Hi everyone, this is Keith from the Chicago House Youth Program. Hope everyone is doing well today and had a great weekend. Today I have a little science experiment that you can do from your home, and you only need a couple of things to do it. So first, again, you always want to ask your permission from your parents and their assistance if you're a little younger to help with this science experiment. And the science experiment today is called color explosion. So what we'll need to conduct this experiment are milk. Any kind of milk will do. Food coloring. You could just get one or you could get a couple. Dish detergent. Again, ask your parents because they might need to use that dish detergent. And then a baking pan. And then if you have gloves, feel free to use gloves. I don't have gloves right now. And then you want to put something to cover something under the baking pan to keep the table clean. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to open the milk and we're going to pour it in our baking pan. And we're going to pour it about an inch deep. We don't want it too high. So about that's good. So I don't know if you can see, but it goes about to this line. You don't want it to be too much higher than that. So our next step is we're going to drop our food coloring dye in. And so you want to put a lot of drops in. You want to put in about 20 to 30. And you can drop them anywhere on here, doesn't matter. Any pattern you want to make. Got some red, got some blue, got some green. Hopefully this is going to look really cool. Oops, see, I got some on the paper towel. That's why you want to make sure you got something to cover the table. And then we got some purple. Alright. So let me just try and put a little forward the screen so you can see. So you can see I put in a bunch of droplets in. So that's about 20 to 30. And so now what we're gonna do is add the dish detergent. And when we add the dish detergent, we want to see what happens because now we're adding something to the droplets in the milk. So let's go ahead, pour it, and you want it. But if you could see, it went from droplets to now it's all rushing together. Add some a little more. See all the colors rush together and you get that real nice artistic color. And so let's explain why this happened. So milk is an emulsion, and what emulsion means, it's suspension of fat droplets in water. So instead of the fat droplets going into the water, in milk, they're just hanging. They're just hanging there. So the food coloring, the drops, they sit on top of the milk too, creating a stable system. So you have food droplets just hanging out there. But then when we add dish detergent, the system is broken and the suspension is dropped. And dish detergent is used to separate out dirt or grease so that things can be washed away. And so that's what the dish detergent does. It breaks down those droplets. So the fat droplets are broken and all the droplets rush together to make this really cool picture. So there you go. It takes a lot, it doesn't take many ingredients, and you can do it real quick. And then for added bonus, if you want to, I'm not going to do it on this table, but if you get a lot of paper towels together, you can pour some of the color on the paper towels, and then when it absorbs, you'll get a really cool looking paper towel. So hope everyone enjoys this, and if you have any other questions, feel free to reach out to me. This is Keith Partyka from the Chicago House Youth Program, hoping you have a great day.